Good morning, everyone. Here is another repair. As you can see, this is old Satellite Pro 10.6-inch notebook PC, and I always have fun to repair any old stuff. Alright, so that is one of the old machines that is touch-enabled notebook, and the somehow screen is broken. I mean the internal one. So the digitizer is fine. So what are you going to do today in this video? We're going to replace the inner LCD instead of replacing the entire unit. So let's check the model number, which is NB10T Satellite Pro from Toshiba. So first of all, I had the replacement from eBay, which was about £39. So what happened is when I place an order for any LCD, what I do, instead of searching by the laptop model number, I always search by the unique LCD model number. In that way, the price gets cheaper and there is more chance to get 100% compatible one. So first of all, you have to pull out the battery to replace any LCD, because you're going to reconnect 40-pin or 30-pin connector, which is quite dangerous if you leave the battery. Okay, but somehow I was not able to pull the battery out. I don't know why. Maybe somebody put some sort of glue before. Okay, so first of all, we're going to start with removing two front screw, which is bottom of this digitizer, one at the right, another one at the left. Once you've taken out these two, we're going to pull out the top lead. Traditionally, when you replace any LCD from laptop, most of the cases we pull out the front bezel. But because of this is touch-enabled laptop, we can pull the front bezel out. What we have to do, we have to pull the top lead from the back. Now let me show you. So once you remove two screws, we're going to spatcher this. You can start from any side. Just put the flat opening tool in the gap in between the front and top panel and just gently squeeze it, and the top panel should be separated from the digitizer like that. And I started side by side, and as you can see, this one quite easy to come off without struggling anything. Yep. Alright, so the top lid taken out. Now as you can see on the left hand side, this is the touch panel. We have to keep this. So what you have to do, we need to take out the fabric tape and then use a plastic card. Flat one is better and the thin one is better, and separate it from the actual broken LCD. And also on the right hand side there is a 40-pin connector. Carefully we have to unplug it very gently, and it's always suggested to take out the battery before you do anything, because sometimes what happens is when you try to replace the screen without unplugging the battery, that could damage the entire GPU of the laptop. Okay, so now as you can see, there are 4 screws, 2 at the bottom, 2 on the top. We're going to take this out, and then we'll take out this film protector. We can't just take it out all the way because there are 2 Wi-Fi antenna cable attached. So we'll take out just the glue to get access into the LCD, and we'll try to take this out. You might have to lose the screw a little bit from the hinges to get better access, and then we can pull this off and then put the new one back. So it's pretty straightforward. I'm just going to make it a little bit loose so that should be easy, a little bit flimsy to take out the actual panel. But I wouldn't suggest you to take out the entire digitizer. Okay, as you can see, I taken out, and here is the crack, as you can see on the right hand side. Now let's take the replacement, put it in there, reconnect the 40-pin display connector, reattach the touch panel at the back, and we'll put back the top lid, couple of screws, and the replacement would be done. So let's see how it goes.